VIP and fancy cat show.
Today we are doing a hidden camera with a difference. We are prank somebody where we know and you know. No, this is our fake promoter. She named Roslyn. She come from Canada.
Yep.
Him not know that.
Nope.
We know that. We make a proposal. You want to hear it? Watch this. Go on. No, we fine.
She alone.
From Kingston, Jamaica, we bring to you Ding Dong Ravers.
Pushing promotion. This is Roslyn Ellison.
Hi.
From Vancouver.
Nice to meet you.
Me and her have been talking and she basically run through some stuff with me, zine. But I give her the opportunity to make you know exactly what she wants to put to you.
I'm part of a group that works in Europe and the West Coast of North America, and everybody's really keen. There's a lot of investors and a lot of venues that are really excited and really eager to get you on the West Coast on a tour. So at $10,000 a show, Marlon has 5,000 already.
Yep. And she not joke neither thing. See that? She just care come give me. So she has to say you just sign up everything and we're good.
So at $10,000 a show, at a minimum of 10 shows, that's 100,000.
I'm gonna just step outside 1 second and get a caller. Just go and talk to her and just see what.
Okay, let me see if I can get this movie
But they're
going.
right to say if you didn't hear.
So one of the thing is, the reason they want you is because they want the originator of the puppy tail dance.
Puppy tail dance is a female dance.
They think it's you that originated that, so that's what they want.
Oh, shucks, yeah?
So, yeah. So I need to send, I mean, when you get, you know, that's what we need, a little clip of you doing a little shake.
Do the dance actually is a problem. Because it's a female dance.
Well, I don't know, I haven't seen it.
That's it. It's a female dance.
So it's the twerking. So, but imagine how famous that'll make you. You'll be the first male twerker. It's gonna come around sooner or later. You might as well be the first guy.
Shucks, I can't do this. Look at that. That's a girl thing.
And then the other thing too is, in order to it to be authentic and make it work, they want a lot of traction in Jamaica, so it would be on ER. I'm just explaining to him.
Come talk to me about this and maybe I'll go and come. Come tell me what I'm going to do now.
Them things and me are the originator for puppy tail dance. You want to show her a video with a girl that do it? And I said, this is it. So she said, it's like twerking.
Yeah.
So I said, I don't do twerking.
But 100 grand in a thing if I make it work, you know.
I can look at it where I make 100 grand now for the shows.
Yeah.
You understand? Which is 10 grand a show, where probably over $1 million a show.
Right.
See, I can look at it that way. And start to go and make 100,000 now for that 2-3 months period. And can't make $1 in Jamaica.
After
and can't
that.
make $1 after that for the rest of my life. That 100,000 they can't carry me for the rest of my life.
For real.
You understand? So sometimes you have to stand for something or else you fall for everything. She want me to do a video clippings now with me. I do something like puppet tail for sure then.
Come we go talk to her, man. Roslyn, me I get to understand with the full 100 now where you carry to him or whatever. And boy, in representing my artist, there's no way me could have make him do them things then.
Well, then that's it. Then no, it's now or never.
He would have no more career in Jamaica.
Well, I get it, but I think that.
People are the first celebrity prank. Yeah. We ever doing our entire 7 years. Ding Dong the first one. Yeah. And Ding Dong, how you feel? Are you bought it?
I like.
Yeah, you're the first celebrity prank.
Stand for something now, you pass the
Yeah. Yeah. Siva now. Do the wrestling, do the wrestling.